Did you hear about the FEMA scandal? A FEMA employee was just fired because she was directing her team to not help hurricane survivors that had Trump signs on their lawns. Yep, that just happened. But you know what? This kind of stuff seems to happen all the time. Let's take a walk down memory lane. This is Lois Lerner. She used to work for the IRS. Back in 2013, she got caught targeting conservatives and Republicans. This is Peter Strzok. He used to be an FBI agent. In 2015, when Trump was a candidate, Peter Strzok got caught text messaging with another person who worked at the FBI, saying some pretty terrible things about Trump. The person he was texting asked Peter Strzok, "He's not really going to win, is he?" Talking about Donald Trump. And you know what Peter Strzok said? "We're going to make sure he doesn't win." Why does Peter Strzok matter? When Hillary Clinton was being investigated for mishandling classified information, guess who was the lead investigator on that case? Yep, Peter Strzok. And no charges got filed against Hillary. When Donald Trump was being investigated for the fake Russian collusion hoax, guess who was the lead investigator on that case? Peter Strzok. This is Jenna Griswold. She's the Secretary of State out in Colorado. She tried to have Trump removed from the ballot in Colorado so people couldn't even vote for him. But luckily, that case got overturned by the United States Supreme Court unanimously. But she was in the news again recently. Her office accidentally leaked the passwords to the election systems ahead of the election. When asked if she would be resigning over that security breach, her response? No. This guy is Judge Engoron. He's a New York City judge. This was the case where Trump supposedly defrauded banks, except for the fact that the banks testified at this trial that they were paid in full, got their interest, and they would do business with Trump again. So there's no victim. Didn't matter. This guy found Trump liable for fraud before Trump's legal team even set foot in the courtroom. So what do all these people have in common? They are severely Trump deranged lunatics who happen to have jobs in positions of power. And they use that power to try to go after a guy just because they don't like him. Look at all of the things that they have done. And these people tell us that Trump and us, that we're the threat to democracy. Just remember this. Whatever Democrats are accusing Trump of doing is exactly what they are doing. It's time to drain the swamp. Let's go to work, Trump.
Now let's go to a high school classroom. We have a teacher that tells his students that if someone voted for Trump, you shouldn't be friends with them.